and space don't exist. Matter and antimatter exist. They have no beginning and no ending. Matter transforms, takes shape, interacts and counter-interacts with antimatter. The relativity of time negates the existence of both time and space. The transformations and fluctuations of the elements of matter that make up atoms and molecules, much of which we still don't understand, are what delude us humans into believing that time and space exist. Time and space are purely human concepts and sensations, confined to planet Earth. It appears to us humans, at least, that most other creatures may not share these same concepts and sensations. Despite animals having memory, they don't perceive the past or anticipate the future. Beginning and ending are human assumptions, used by the limited human mind to comprehend what happens to himself and the universe around him. Nothing has begun and nothing will end. The universe is merely the transformations, fluctuations, and formations of matter through matter itself and antimatter, and by means of them. Mathematics is fundamentally built upon mental assumptions that are called axioms. Therefore, the concept of movement, for example, or motion, or travel, or speed between 2 points A and B in terms of time is a smart mental assumption. Or concept, but is it incomplete or wrong? We understand, for instance, that light travels from one place to another at the speed of approximately 300,000 kilometers per second. In reality, light doesn't travel. Rather, it interacts and transforms amidst varying temperatures and through matter itself and its antimatter. What do we say about a person who walked from point A to point B at the speed of 3 kilometers per hour? Walking, speed, distance, point A and point B are all concepts invented by the human mind before it evolved to interpret existence and the universe. A person is an unstable composite form of matter and antimatter, and their movement from point A to point B, for example, is merely an interaction and transformation of matter within the scope of matter itself and antimatter. The human mind only understands the nature of this transformation through a formula invented and called the speed equation in terms of time.